Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to unbox my succulents that I ordered online. I got them from Benguet. This is going to be my first succulent unboxing video. Please also stay tuned. I am going to share with you guys the pots that I bought from Shopee. They are very cheap. It's only 10 peso per pot. Also the soil mix that I'm going to use for my succulents. So I got them also from Shopee. I only paid 95 pesos for the shipping fee because LBC has a promo for this month of August. You only have to pay 95 pesos if you're going to pick up at the nearest LBC branch. Alright, so without any further ado, let's get started. Please bear with me guys because I'm just a newbie in this world of succulents. So just a little bit of information from the seller. She said she air dried all these plants for 3 days before wrapping them and putting it into the box. Okay, the first one that I got here is, I think it is Rondo. I don't know. You have to help me guys. Please comment down below for the first one. I don't know the name. But this one is, I think this is jelly beans. Yeah, I think, yeah, it is. And if you have any suggestions how to properly care of these jelly beans, comment down below and I really appreciate it. They're really cute and pulpy. And I'm so happy because the roots are properly dried. This one, I don't know exactly what the name of this one. I think it is Makinoi or Makinoi, I don't know. And the fourth is the Black Prince. This is really nice. I didn't expect the size. It's really big. I thought it's just a small one. So I am happy and satisfied. I only got this for 25 peso each. So it's not bad. And this is still firm and the roots, it's good. And the fifth one, I'm confused with the third one. Okay, let's move. So this one is the Aptinia. That one is Aptinia. I don't know this type of succulents. Please comment down below if you have any idea. And number 8 is the Happy Bean. I am sure, I think, yeah, this is Happy Bean. Very easy to remember. And the 9th succulent, they call it Pagoda. Yeah, Pagoda. It's really cute. It's like plastic and very pulpy. The 10th succulent. What is it? Oh, it is like a rose. I don't know the name. Please help me. Comment down below. We have to put an ID for each succulent. And this one, I don't know the idea of this one, but it is really good. It's very pulpy and the roots are in good condition. It's properly air dried. It's so nice. I think this is going to survive here in my area. It's very humid, so let us see. I think this one is it a ghost plant? I think it is. I am not really sure. And this, yeah, I think this one is topsy-turvy. They call it a topsy-turvy. It's cute. but some of the leaves are getting yellow already. But it's okay, they said it's normal because it is adjusting, because the weather in Baguio is very cold and here in Cavite it's very warm. This one, I don't know what you call this. Please help me. I don't know, but it's really cute. It's green and yellow in color. And another one, let's see. This one is tornado. They call it tornado. It's very cute. Looks like a small roses. And ito, this is really nice. They call it pink kalanchoy, and it is like a plastic plant. Very nice. I love it. I think they're going to survive in this weather condition that we have here in Cavite. So let us see. And another one is, they call this banana. Banana because looks like a banana. Yeah. So let us see. Another one here. I don't know the name. I don't know. But it is nice. I did a little bit of research on how to take care of these succulents, but I will appreciate if you have something to share with me. So based on your own experiences. And here's another amazing plant or succulent. They call this Ruby Blast. Yeah, Ruby Blast. I don't know if they bloom once a year. I don't know. And this is the jade plant, I think. I am not really sure, but looks like a jade plant. So I really appreciate if you could give me the correct ID of this jade plant. I really appreciate it. And here's another succulent. And I think another amazing thing about these succulents, if you expose them to sunlight, they will bring the best color. They will change their color based on the sunlight exposure. So let us see. This one, dark green, I don't know, but let us see. So I guess the color of these succulents may change. The weather in Baguio is a bit cold, and here in Cavite it's very warm, so definitely it will change. This one, I don't know, but it's really cute. And this is amazing. It is like a plastic flower. It's very firm and it's really look like a plastic one. It's so amazing. I love it. And cute. These are my stress reliever, and I'm just so happy collecting them and putting it in my veranda. I think this is another jade plant. What do you think, guys? You have to help me. Yeah. And these are the small pots, plastic pots I bought online. This is from Shopee. The name of the seller is Alexa B online. I got this only for 10 peso each, so 10 peso per pot. I ordered 25 pieces and the shipping fee is 70 pesos. I like it because it's very stylish. It is white plastic. It is corrugated. So yeah. And this is my soil mix. The brand is Macitera. So it is very nice because it is made of pumice. I think 70% of pumice and carbonized rice hull. It is good. It is fast draining because succulents cannot hold moist soil. They will rot if they have too much water. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you like this video. I'm going to repot all these beautiful succulents, and I'm going to upload the video how I repot these beautiful flowers. So if you are new here and you'd like to subscribe to my channel, please don't forget to click that subscribe button and click the bell icon if you'd like to be notified every time I upload new videos. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.